All right, good afternoon, kids, and welcome to our math class. Okay, so last time, Teacher Maria gave you a homework, right? So let's try to answer this one. So this is all about converting hours into minutes. Okay, let's try to answer this. Okay, so we will start with number one. Remember, 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes, okay? And then 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. All right, let's try to answer number one. All right, who would like to tell me the conversion of this number to minutes, the conversion of this hour into minutes? So number one, we have 6 hours and 27 minutes. So how many minutes in 6 hours and 27 minutes? So first is we have to multiply 6 by 60, right? And then plus 27. Okay, what is 6 multiplied by 60?
360.
Boom.
360.
Okay, so that's 360, right? Plus 27. What's the answer?
387.
Okay, so the answer would be 387 minutes. Okay, so in 6 hours and 27 minutes, there are 387 minutes. Understand? Okay, let's proceed to number two. Number two is 12 hours and 58 minutes. So how many minutes in 12 hours and 58 minutes? Who would like to answer? Anyone? Raise your hand. Anyone who wants to answer for number two? Who wants to answer for number two? All right, it's very easy, class. Just multiply 12 by 60 and then plus 20 plus 58. Right? Okay, can you give me the answer? What is 12 multiplied by 60?
720 plus 58.
Okay, thank you, Boom. What's the answer? How many minutes?
788 minutes.
Very good. So that's the answer. Okay, now let's proceed to number three. Who would like to answer for number three? Anyone? I only hear Boom. What about the other students? Number three, how many minutes in 10 hours and 18 minutes? Okay, Pete, can you give me the solution?
Sixty.
10 multiplied by 60 and
Plus 18.
okay. So what is 10 multiplied by 60? What is 10 multiplied by 60?
60. 600.
Okay, very good. 600 and then
Plus 80.
so what is the final answer?
180.
Okay, so the answer is 618 minutes. Okay, remember 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. Okay, all right, now let's continue with our lesson. So everybody get your math textbook and open chapter 3. Just give me 1 second. Let me share the page for you. Okay. All right, so last time we converted hours into minutes. Now let's try to convert minutes to seconds. So open your math textbook on this page, example number 4. Okay, so let's start. So we have examples, 3 examples, A, B, and C. Convert the following to seconds. For letter A, we have 3 minutes. For letter B, we have 5 minutes and 4 seconds. And for letter C, we have 20 minutes and 10 seconds. So let's convert this into seconds. So here's the solution. Solution letter A, okay? So remember that letter A, 3 minutes. So we will convert this to seconds. It's very easy, class. You just have to multiply 3 by 60. Or you can also write 3 by 6 or 3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10. But it would be easy if you were multiply 3 to 60. So 3 times 60, that's gonna be 180 seconds. Okay, let me show you, hold on. All right, remember that in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. Again, in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So here, how many minutes? There are 3, right? So we will just multiply 3 by 60. So 3 by 60, that's gonna be 180 seconds. Okay. All right, now let's proceed to letter B. 5 minutes and 4 seconds. So we will convert this into seconds. So here, 5 multiplied by 60, that's 300. And then you just have to add 4 seconds. So that's 300 plus 4 is equivalent to 304 seconds. Again, 5 minutes and 4 seconds. We will convert this to seconds, okay? So here's the solution. 5 multiplied by 60, that's 300, plus 4, which is 304 seconds. Okay? Now letter C. We have 20 minutes and 10 seconds. So here's the solution. 20 multiplied by 60. 20 multiplied by 60, that will give you an answer of 1,200 seconds. And we will just add 10 seconds. So that's 1,200 plus 10 is equivalent to 1,210 seconds. Okay, I'll give you another example. What about 6 minutes? 6 minutes class. Let's convert 6 minutes to seconds. How are you gonna convert 6 minutes? So that's 6, right? Multiply by 60. What's the answer? 6 minutes multiplied by 60 seconds. What's the answer? Six times 60. Class.
360.
Very good. So the answer is 360 seconds. Don't forget, letter S stands for seconds. Okay. What about this one? We have 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay, who would like to answer this one? 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Convert this into seconds. So first is multiply 7 by 60. Okay. Plus 15 seconds. What's the answer? 7 multiplied by 60 plus 15.
430.
Repeat louder, please.
430.
420. Plus we have 15.
435.
Very good. So there are 435 seconds in 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Do you understand? Yes or no? Okay, let's proceed to the next page. So here we have example number 5, A, B, C, and D. Letter A, convert 420 to hours. Letter B, convert 3,000 seconds to minute. Letter C, convert 400 minutes to hour and minute. And letter D, convert 725 seconds to minute and seconds. Okay, here's the solution. We will start with letter A. Okay, we will start with letter A. So letter A is 420 minutes. So we will convert into hour. How many hours in 420 minutes? So all we have to do is to divide 420 divided by 60. So that's 420 divide 60 and divide 10. That will give you an answer of 7 hours. Again, 420 divided by 60. You can also do like this, 420 divide 6 and divide 10. So 420 divide 6, that's 70, right? And then divide by 10. So that's 7 hours. So there are 7 hours in 420 minutes. See, there are 7 hours in 420 minutes. Now let's proceed to letter B. So there are 3,000 seconds. So we need to divide it to 60. So 3,000 divided by 60, that will give you 50 minutes. So in 3,000 seconds, there are 50 minutes. Okay, now letter C. Letter C, 400 minutes. We will convert this to hours and minutes. So first step, we have to look first how many hours in 400 minutes. So now we will try to find out. First is, we will try to find a number which is divisible by 60. Okay, so 400 will become 360 plus 40. So again, 360 plus 40 is equivalent to 400. So 360 is divisible by 60. So that's 6 hours. Again, we have to find a number which we can divide 60, or which a number where we can divide it into this number. Okay, so that's 360 divided by 60, that's 6 hours. So from 6 hours, so there's 40 minutes left. So you just have to bring down 40 minutes. So again, 6 hours and 40 minutes. That's the hour and minutes in 400 minutes. Now let's proceed to letter D. 725 seconds convert to minutes and second. So now let's try to find out how many minutes in 725 seconds. All we have to do is we have to find a number where we can divide 720. Okay, so 720, oh, again, we have to find a number that we can divide 725. So that's 720. Okay, 720 plus 5, that's equivalent to 725. So now we can divide 720 into 60. So that's 720 divided by 60 is equivalent to 12 minutes here. So we will just bring down 5 seconds. So there are 12 minutes and 5 seconds in 725 seconds. I think you're confused right now. It's a little bit difficult. Let's try to have an exercise. Okay, here, let's try to answer number 1, 2, and 3. Let's start with number 1. Write the time using the 24-hour notation. So we have 1 a.m., letter A, B, 7 a.m., C, 4 p.m., and 10 p.m. for letter D. So how do you write 1 a.m. in 24-hour notation? So the answer would be like this, okay? Write 1, 0, 1, and then another 0 in your textbook. Write it down. Okay, for letter B, how do you write 7 a.m. in 24-hour notation? Anyone? Raise your hand. Spy. Boom. Repeat. Letter B. How do you write 7 a.m. in 24-hour notation?
0, 7, and 0, 0.
Very good. That's 07, semicolon, and or colon, 00. What about letter C, 4 p.m.? How do you write 4 p.m. in 24-hour notation? Four p.m. Okay, Pete.
16.00.
Very good. 16 and then colon 00. Very good. Okay, letter D, 10 p.m. How do you write 10 p.m. in a 24-hour notation?
Wait.
Anyone? Pete, do you know?
Yes.
Okay, what's the answer?
22. 22
Very good.
hours.
Okay, write the answer, class. Write it down. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. Write the time using the 24-hour notation. Okay, letter A, 2:45 a.m. How do you write this time? You can turn on your microphone, class, if you want to answer. If you want to talk, you can turn on your microphone, okay? Letter A, 2:45 a.m. Okay, Pete?
2 hours. 2 chặt.
Yeah,
45.
that's 02 and then colon 45. What about letter B? 11:23 a.m.
11. That's 23.
That's 11:23. Okay. Letter C, 2:05 p.m. Kunchai. Kit. How do you write this one? 2:05 p.m.
14.
14.
And 5 minutes. 14 hours and 5 minutes.
That's 14:05. Okay. What about 11:59 p.m.? Sapai, Alpha, anyone? 11:59 p.m.
23.
22.
22. 22.
It's 23, 23:59. 22 is 10 p.m. 23 is 11 p.m. and 24 is 12 midnight. Okay, now number 3, find the amount of time. So we have from 00 semicolon 10 to 0940. Find the amount of time for letter A. What is the amount of time? So let's try to draw a number line. Okay. So we have 10, right? And then here we have 9, 40. So here, let's start. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then here 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So what is the amount of time? What is the amount of time, class?
Nine hours.
9 hours? Are you sure? Okay, the answer would be 9 hours and 30 minutes. So you are good, Pete, 9 hours, but you forgot the minutes, okay? 40 minus 10, that's 30 minutes. Okay, let's try letter B. From 8 to 13:50, what is the amount of time? Anyone? Letter B, this one, letter B. What is the amount of time? So we have 8 a.m. to 13:50. How many hours and minutes?
5 hours, 50 minutes.
Let's see. Very good, Pete. That's 5 hours and 50 minutes. Now let's proceed to letter C. From 15 to 19. How many hours or how many time or what is the amount of time? This one, from 15 to 19. What is the amount of time? Anyone? Sir? I only have Pete here. What about the other students? Sapay, Kwangtung, Alpha, Kalhom, Gam, Nulek, Yada, where are you? Boom. What is the amount of time from 15 to 19? Again, let's draw the number line. Here, 15. Okay, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Okay, Pete, do you know the answer?
3 hours, 45 minutes.
3 hours, 45 minutes. Let's see. Very good. 3 hours and 45 minutes. Good job. Okay. Now, letter D. 17:30 to 23:45. What is the amount of time? (17:30 to 23:45). What is the amount of time? Class, if you know the answer, you can talk. You can turn on the microphone.
5
Again, one more time. How many hours?
5 hours.
That's 6 hours and 15 minutes. Remember, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 6 hours. And 45 minus 30, that's 15. So 6 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, this one, number 4. Convert to minutes. So how many minutes in 6 hours? 6 multiplied by 60.
360 minutes.
Very good, Pete. Good job. Okay. Letter B. Convert 3 hours, 15 minutes to minutes.
95 minutes.
Very good. So that's 195 minutes. Now, letter C, we have 9 hours and 20 minutes. How many minutes in 9 hours and 20 minutes? Multiply 9 by 60 plus 20 minutes. That's the answer. Multiply 9 by 60.
560 minutes.
Very good, 560 minutes. I only hear Pete. What about the other students? Okay, number 5. convert to seconds, okay? Convert to seconds. So letter A, 8 minutes. So you just have to multiply by 60. 8 multiplied by 60. What's the answer? Anyone? How many seconds in 8 minutes?
480 minutes.
Which I minute, Pete? We are looking for seconds.
420 seconds.
Very, oh, it's 480 seconds. All right, what about letter B? 7 minutes and 24 seconds. How many seconds in 7 minutes and 24? So you just have to multiply. Multiply 7 by 60 plus 24. What's the answer?
444.
Oh, very good. 444 seconds. Pete, high five. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's try number 8 class. Oh, number 8. Number 8 na. Convert 350 minutes to hours and minutes. Number 8. All right, I will just give you the answer. 5 hours and 50 minutes. So copy this one. And then number 6. Number 6, convert 240 to hours. So how many hours in 240? You just have to divide 240 divide 60. 6 hours. Oh, no, 4 hours. Okay, very good. Next. Number 7, convert 600 seconds to minutes. So you just have to divide 600 into 60. You just have to divide 600 into 60. How many minutes?
6,000 minutes.
No, Pete, you just have to divide.
60 minutes.
Again?
60 minutes.
10 minutes. You have to divide 60, divide 600 divided by 60. So that's 10 minutes. Okay, now letter C. Number 5, letter C. 30 minutes, 2 seconds. How many seconds in 30 minutes and 2 seconds? So you just have to multiply 30 by 60 plus 2. Again, multiply 30 by 60 plus 2. What's the answer?
182 seconds.
1,802 seconds.
Oh,
Okay. Then number 9, convert 520 seconds to minutes and seconds. Convert 520 seconds to minute and seconds. So all you have to do is to divide 520 plus the seconds. What's the answer? Okay, the answer would be 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, copy the answers, class. All right, so that's all for today, students. I will give you your homework, okay? I'm gonna send you the homework in Google Classroom. All right, thank you, students.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you. I'll send you your homework in Google Classroom, okay? Bye.
Bye.